Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on videos you might like on your account on TikTok on notification settings, easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, click notifications, and here you will find videos you might like. Just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on videos you might like on your account on TikTok on notification settings, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.